Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Kigi. I did these braids and I wanted to show you guys how I basically went from what you're about to see to what you saw in the first clip. Spring, summer. Let's get the bill. What do you mean? So you want to do just 350 and that would be a look, honestly. I would like it. Yeah. Because 350 is more for 30 is more for like when you want to do like blonde, like you want to tone it down.
Just give it a full.
Yeah.
I don't care.
Yeah. Hey guys, I've been a blonde since the end of last year, like since November 2022. I've been doing blonde hair. I've just been blonde since then. So I'm going to be blonde again. 350 is like the darkness. Amber brings in the like gingery vibe.
I want one.
No, please.
I'm telling you, it can be a look.
No, please.
Look at it.
I don't like it.
When is this?
Oh.
When is this?
I don't know.
The worst thing that happened to that client is I hate it.
And then you threw it to me.
I won't do it to you, but I'm telling you, it's not big and it's not much. Because it's two of these. It's just like subtle.
Okay.
We have hair, Lego.
These are the products that I wash my hair with, and then these are basically the products that I used while I was actually braiding. I didn't use that Shine and Jam, by the way. And then this is the 3 different colors that I mixed together. Okay, before I go any further, I also wanted to give you guys an idea of what my setup was like when I'm doing my braids. I always have this one mirror behind me, and I have this mirror that's in front of me. It's 9 p.m. Have the hair. I'll start braiding. 2 hours later, this is where we are at. There's so much more hair that needs to be done. Actually, because I feel like this hair is going to be much more full and thick than I want it. Very like red, copper. I like, but I'm also really tired and I don't want to stretch out any of my hair. But I obviously know that I don't have enough hair to finish the rest of my head. So we're still going. At this point in time, I had like slept and I was making food, trying to eat to get energy to continue braiding, but I didn't even have that much left to do. But it still felt like it was so much, if you get what I mean. I'm gonna watch an episode of BoJack Horseman because I was rewatching BoJack Horseman, but I only rewatched seasons 5 and 6. So good.
It's very capable of taking care of herself.
Okay, I'm almost at the end. I literally have just this left, and I'm about to just part this, and then I'm gonna part this side, and then after I've pre-parted, I'm going to get into braiding. The braids are not perfect, but you know, they look good. They look good still. They look great. Can't wait to cut this. I want to layer. I have literally 3 strands or 3 braids left to braid. 3 more braids. I'm tired.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on really, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense up. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
One more braid, then we're going to layer this hair a bit more properly. Then we're going to put perm rods to curl the hair, and then we're going to put the hair in some hot water to set it down, and then we'll be done. I'm excited. I'm happy. I feel good. I like this color. It's very different from me. But it's not bad. It's not bad at all. It's not bad at all. Something different. Something new. Something new. I had used scissors to layer my braids, and now I'm using this razor as well just to do some extra trimming because I felt like I didn't have the layers the way I wanted them just yet. So I spent quite a bit of time trying to get the layers right. My sister came in the room. She said hi. She was really like moral support while I was doing this hair because, girl.
I was on TikTok the whole night before we went to the beauty supply store, literally. Because I was like, I need to figure out what I want to do exactly. So I watched a bunch of videos, just looked at like different like copper hair colors on different people. Yeah. And then I was like, yeah, when we get to the beauty supply store and I see what's there, that's when I'll know for sure what I'm getting. Yeah. But I had a very clear idea. That's nice. In my head.
You know how they say like where there's a will, there's a way. That's literally just me every time I'm doing my hair because yeah. Anyways, I'm literally still just using that razor to trim off some of the ends. I don't know why this took me so long. I feel like it's just because I didn't really know what I was doing, but it worked out in the end. It really did. Also, just like the more I've practiced, the better I've gotten.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Properly? Should I do any more or should I just leave it? Okay. I didn't get my middle part properly. My parts is like literally off to the side a little bit, but that's fine. I was really struggling on that area.
Yeah, I don't know if you could actually see what I was saying about my middle parts and how I missed the middle part and it kind of went off to the side slightly. I'm not mad at it, to be honest. I still think it looks nice. After I was done, I was just like, yeah, there's no way I'm going back in and fixing this. But I was just blow drying my hair before like doing any hot water or anything else.
Next thing that we need to do is curl this hair. So I'm about to put perm rods in my hair.
I like this part more than the whole braiding process. I'm literally just drying out my hair a little bit, so I'm using that towel to just squeeze out some of the water that's still in my hair, and I use a blow dryer over the hair while it's like still in the perm rods one more time just to dry it down a bit more. I don't take the perm rods down immediately, to be honest, and I'm taking the opportunity to say this while my hair is drying. The next thing I do is I just put on a bonnet and I went to sleep.
I forgot that I wanted to bring my hair down on camera. I hope this worked out. I hope it worked out. I'm praying it worked out. Please don't disappoint me. Don't disappoint me. Let's just do one. Don't disappoint me. Don't disappoint me. Don't disappoint me. Don't disappoint me. Please don't disappoint me. Okay.
I'm so glad this hair worked out. I'm so glad. This is the end result. So pretty. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.